Okay, welcome back to the channel. This is the most interesting trunk project we've ever done. It's our only trunk project we've ever done. But anyway, we got this trunk from the mothership, aka Amazon. And it's been sitting in the shelf here for years. And we're going on a big motorcycle trip. So we decided to mount it on Ron's bike to see how it would work out. And look at, I mean, it actually looks pretty damn good. Matches the color. It's got all kinds of room. We put it came with the rack. We put this on. You just drill holes to, you know, mount the rack. It comes with rubber washers to seal it. And the quality is not too bad. It looks a little rough from the welds, but you know what? It's fine. And I'll try and put the information in the description if you guys want to check it out. But it's got a lock for the trunk. And then it's got a lot of room in here. It's gonna make the trip so much nicer because he doesn't have a trunk. Now he can just put all kinds of stuff in here. And the way it's mounted is it has these brackets. All the brackets and everything came with the kit. Did you have to add anything, Ron?
No. Well, just the longer bolts.
Okay, these bolts right here. Yeah, Ron had to run to the store real quick because it worked out to where the bolts needed to reach down and into the existing tapped holes, M6s,
Yep.
that were in that little rack that was on the back. So it worked out perfect. And these are on there just for extra support, so it holds it really nice. And yeah, and you know, you still got total room for the light. You can see the lights real good. You can see you can get into the bags because they open out this way. And then put it like that. What else did we? Everything? That's about everything, huh?
Yep.
And it's got a spot where he can put a gym bag, or if we find a cute little honey abandoned on the side of the road that needs a ride, and she'll have a nice backrest. But anyway, if you guys want to check it out, I'll just throw the info in the description. But anyway, see you guys.